Welcome back. It's art time, class. Today, we're going to be creating our own stop motion animation. Let's get started. To begin, you're going to need either an iPad or an iPhone. We're going to be using the Camera and Keynotes app. First, with your camera, take a picture of an item moving across the table. Here I have several pictures of a pen slowly moving across the frame. Next, open up Keynotes and start a new presentation. You can click on this plus sign at the top right corner to start that. Here I have a presentation already started. At the very bottom left corner, you're going to see this little plus sign here. Scroll till you get the blank slide and create enough slides for each of the frames. At the top right corner, there is a plus sign. You're going to click on that to add a picture. And then you're going to select each of the different images that you have taken a picture of. Oh, that is a duplicate. Let me select that by tapping on it and then delete. I love how that mini menu just pops up super easily. So again, I'm right here. There we go. All right. Now I'm going to go to the top right corner. There is a circle with 3 little dots right here. Click on that and click on Export. You're going to do Animated GIF. I recommend selecting the Auto Advance, not to the very far left, but just at least one over. And then you want to make sure the slide range is all of the slides. So here I have 1 to 13 selected. All right. Now I'm ready to export, and it's going to show me a preview of the animation right here. I recommend sharing that by either saving the image or sending it right to your drive. Now, since I saved the image onto the iPad, when I go to Photos, the newest photo will be an animated GIF. Well, I can't wait to see what you are going to make. Till next time, keep being creative.